Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this GELE tutorial. I haven't done a GELE tutorial in I think 2 years. The last GELE, or the first ever GELE tutorial I did, was like 2 years ago. So this is kind of like 2 years later. I've harnessed my skills, I've learned a lot, so I am coming to show you guys a much better GELE tutorial than the first one I put up on my channel. So anyways, first off, I formed some pleats off camera, like the 4 pleats that you see right now. I formed them off camera, so I'm just placing the GELE on my client's head, and I'm going to basically really form, or take my time and really like match all the pleats from ear to ear, so like every pleat is rhyming from the left ear to the right ear. So once I'm done basically matching all the pleats on both ears, I'm just going to like shift it a little bit backwards, so it doesn't because either way we're going to shift it at the end when we're done tying the GELE bow, so it doesn't like hurt the client when we're shifting it backwards. So I'm just going to push it back a little bit. So always don't be shy to tell your client to help you hold or press down the ears, especially if you don't have like an assistant or something. You can tell your clients to always hold like the ears of the GELE, so you can work your magic. So anyways, right now what I'm just doing is I'm taking the longer side of the GELE and I'm passing it under the shorter side. So I'll repeat that again: the longer side passes under the shorter side. So that's the longer side I'm holding of the GELE. So I'm just basically going to toss that across her head while I'm forming one pleat. Then once I form that one pleat across her head, I'm just going to put my hands at the back of the GELE, and I'm going to start forming pleats on top of each other. Because the GELE is still kind of new, I really have to like press the pleats down so they stay. So I'm just tucking my hand at the back while holding that long end, and I'm just forming each of the pleats on top of each other.
Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, gangan oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gangan oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Kejo, let's go. Auntie mi ko mole, brother mi ko mole, sister mi ko mole, uncle mi ko mole. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, to make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, gangan oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gangan oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Na 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 na, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Na.
So now once I'm done forming some pleats on top of on top of each other, I'm just going to pop onto the other side and basically match the pleats together on the other side. So I'm just basically trying to pull the pleats and make sure that they both align and rhyme together, because if they're not aligned, you won't really get a very fine looking GELE. So you always have to make sure that each pleat is aligned from ear to ear. So now once I'm done aligning those pleats together, I'm just going to tell my client to help me hold it down while I tie the GELE at the back. So basically making a sweet shape wrap, like you know how the sweet shape is, but you're scrunching in between the two ends. So I'm just going to use that and tie the gele. Make sure you tie it tight, so with all the dancing and everything, you don't want a situation whereby it's like a wig. You don't want a situation whereby it will fall off your client's head. So but you also have to be careful of also ask your clients, hope it's not painful, hope it's tight enough, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to just tie it twice, and once I'm done tying the gele, I'm just basically putting my hand at the back and just trying to add more pleats to it and give the gele height.
Baby, oh, I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby, oh, I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, cover, ballet, gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, cover, ballet, gojo. Say I want you to be mine. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, gangan, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gangan, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Kejo, let's go. Auntie mi ko komole, brother mi ko komole, sister mi ko komole, uncle mi ko komole. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, gangan, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gangan, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Na, yeah. Thank you.
So guys, after pleating and aligning, because I had to I knew it would take so much time, that's why I didn't really show. I'm sorry, my hand was blocking the camera, like I had no idea. There was nobody to hold the camera for me so you guys can really see. But anyways, now I'm done aligning all the pleats. I folded the excess material at the back. It depends on your client. If she wants her hair to show, you obviously have to fold it. But if she doesn't want her hair to show, you always have to just cover it up, Then now I'm just styling and aligning the pleats so they actually look nice. And this is my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you think I did a good job, please give me a thumbs up. Write your comments down. Let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Be your man tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like. Money, go far, ballet, gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, ballet, gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day.